It's the Great Tank Engine Race. Oh, Victor from Cuba is gonna win this race. I think I could win. Wait, no one likes me. I don't know if I could win. We're up hills in the high, beautiful hills known as the narrow gauge railway. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, why is it's not the narrow gauge railway? Okay, fine. Oh, I think we're gonna start. Oh, crap. Oh, this is a really tight one. Oh, I forgot there's holes in between the gap where the land is, so you might be careful. You might have to jump or go try through it. Oh, you didn't tell us, narrator. Well, I'm the commentator. Oh, I didn't know that too. Wait, I see the ending. I can smell it. Jonas, I took the secret link. Oh, that's cool. I don't care, because I'm gonna win. Oh dear! Someone help me! Oh look, he's dead now. Percy, so you're gonna help me? I gotta continue. Bye! Do I have to do everything myself? Careful, he might be contaminated. Come on. Couple up. Oh. Well, I guess this is kind of trouble now, since some of us have kind of crashed. Now it's just Victor, Percy, Nia, and Rosie, and maybe Duck will get back. Oh no! Oh, I fell off. Haha. Take that, Cuban. Capitalism is better than communism. Yay, we're almost there. Oh, I'm free. I'm almost there. Almost at the bed. Now you're the suck one. Shut up, Mexican. I'm not Mexican. Oh, whatever. Oh no, Victor's gonna beat us. Come on, guys, we gotta go. I don't know why I'm dragged into this. Shut up, duck. Come on, we gotta go. Oh, Percy, you're gonna save me. Oh, thank God. Sorry, Thomas, I gotta go. Screw you, Percy. You gotta go win the race. Oh, it's catching up. Oh. Oh, you know what? Forget you guys. I'm gonna help myself. Wait for me, guys. I'm almost catching up. Oh my gosh, the dead end is actually a dead end. Oh no, Thomas is gonna beat us. Come on, guys, we gotta go. Oh, we just fell down. Oh dear, not again. Oh, Neo, stuck in situation. I don't know. Oh, come on. I'm almost there. No, I need to win. I hope I win. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna win. What the? Not again. Victor's gonna win. I mean, Victor from Cuba's gonna win. Oh, Victor crashed. And Rosie's the last one. And Rosie is the winner. She wins. Gosh dang it, I almost had it. With Thomas second place. Rosie first place. Thomas second place. Victor third place. Duck fourth. They round up the top three. Duck is in fourth place. Percy in 5th place, and rounding it out is Nia in last place. That is it for the very first tank engine race. Join us next time when we find out more stuff.